Hello and welcome to today's lecture. We're going to review a message from Lantos from 6 years ago in which he spoke about the great star of Genesis and how it forms. Since this is something that we're focusing on this year, this is the year of the golden form, which is the great star of Genesis. That's why we're focusing on these lessons from Lantos. Here is what Lantos had to say. Greetings, dear ones. We are constructing a blessed framework of light, strand by strand. This is the assembling of a great structure. We begin with the proper tools, the blessed chamber of eternal light. This blessed device is a pure reflection of the great universal energy of a blessed great star of light. It is the star of the light of Genesis. This is the name we give to identify this mighty star. Just as names are given to identify the great stars one by one, this name is given to this great star whose light has arrived in the form of the blessed chambers of eternal light. Through the structuring of the blessed global framework of connecting light beams of radiant starlight, we are establishing the required conditions for the arrival of the full form of this great star. When one thinks of an arrival of a great object, such as this mighty star, one may imagine the large ball of burning energy speeding through the galaxies on its way to the destination, our blessed Earth. This is not the case. This is not the means of arrival. It is not the means of travel. When we say we are assembling a platform, a blessed framework, we may as easily say that we are assembling a mighty magnet, for it is much more on the scale of an energy which is solidly being formed through the one-by-one additions of these radiant devices of light. One by one, the blessed chambers of eternal light are adding to the crisscrossing beams which span across the lands and waters. One by one, the deep residues are removed, and the light shines with greater clarity. A glow is beginning to form. A glow. We will discuss the nature of this glow further at a future time. The glow produces the influence of attraction of the great force of universal energy we know by the name Great Star of Genesis. It is not a matter of traveling through the universe in that sense. This is not the method of arrival. The arrival of this mighty great star comes out of the field of energy. It emerges out of the structure of energy already present. If this energy would not be present, there would be no chance to draw it forth. The Earth has experienced a great transformation. This is the shifting of the structure of energy from the old to the new. Transformation is from old to new, from the previous to the coming. This shift has prepared the Earth, equipped the Earth with the materials necessary for the coming era. That which remains to be accomplished is the drawing forth of the new form, the form which will take over the role of the basic structure of life and existence on Earth. The old is replaced by the new. That which is required is the assembling of the platform, the radiant structure into which this mighty form may enter. We possess the knowledge and the tools. Now it is left for us to act. Our role is the action required for the assembly of this great global network of the light of Genesis. This is the platform into which the blessed mighty star may enter as the form for the era of eternal light. Yes. We are now embarking upon the tour to ignite the points of light and dispel the residues. With bursting radiance, the cities of light will support the offering of the blessed pearl of knowledge, the pearl of starlight for each individual. Dear ambassadors, take this opportunity to receive the blessings which are surfacing at this point in the blessed structure of time. This is a tour of light, a tour of the pearl of starlight. It is very good, very good, very good. Many blessings. A beautiful message talking about the formation of the great star of Genesis. I want to highlight a few points in it. First, when Lantos spoke about the glow, he said, a glow is beginning to form. A glow. We will discuss the nature of this glow further at a future time. I'm going to ask Cindy to ask Lantos about that because that sounded really interesting and he hasn't yet addressed it again. So we'll try to get another message from Lantos about that glow. Also, he spoke about the pearl of starlight. Those of you who received it 6 years ago, you're very familiar with it and the pearl technique. But it's important what Lantos said. He said, "Dear ambassadors, take this great opportunity to receive the blessings which are surfacing at this point in the blessed structure of time." This is what we've seen over the past 10 years as Lantos has prepared us to help the Earth with its great transformation that happened at the end of 2012. As Lantos prepared us to start to build this structure, this framework of light. That was in 2013 and ever since then. And at each step, we have been given opportunities for great personal growth, such as with the pearl of starlight. But those opportunities not only afford us great personal growth, they significantly add to the light on Earth, which furthers our goal of creating the great star of Genesis. And this year, we have had two gifts from the July course. The Whisper of the Seeds, the Whispering Moon Seeds. Those benefit you individually the way the pearl of starlight does, but by generating this added energy, they also benefit the world. But the focus of the Whispering Moon Seeds really is on the individual to help make sure that your life is on track. The second gift of the July course was the fountains, the Singing Seed Fountains. And these are focused on benefiting the world, but because they generate so much light, so much initial rotations of creation, so much energy of the World Mother seed, having one in your home provides significant benefit for you individually as well. Those are the two benefits, the two blessings that we received this summertime, the Whispering Moon Seeds and the Singing Seed Fountains. And again, what Lantos said, this is applicable for each time. They have given us a new gift that benefits us personally and benefits the world as well. He said, "Dear ambassadors, take this great opportunity to receive the blessings which are surfacing at this point in the blessed structure of time." Okay, everyone. Everything we do, everything you do, everything that your friends do, everything all of us do and have been doing for the past several years, these are things that benefit us individually, but that go to the ultimate goal of creating the great star of Genesis, the golden form. And this is the year of the golden form. Everyone, thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for all of the efforts that you have made, the time, the expense, everything that you have done with your techniques over the past several years, because those efforts matter. They matter to all of creation. Okay, everyone, have a great week. I'll speak with you again on Wednesday.